Hi everyone, wish you all a very happy Navratri. The 9 most holidays. These 9 days are dedicated to Ma Durga and her 9 avatars. Each avatar is having different colors with different significance. Hope this festival brings happiness and joy for everyone's life. During this time, we all make different food at home. Today, I made a very popular recipe from Bengal. It's called Bhoger Khichuri. To make this recipe, we need few ingredients. Come, let's have a look on that. I have jeera rice 1 cup, potato that is also 1 cup. I have few peanut badam and cashew nuts, few vegetables like carrot and beans, and the same measurement of dal, moong dal I have taken. So rice and dal proportion will be almost same. And I have kishmish also. So this much of ingredients we need, and we need few masala like red chili, green chili, bay leaves, red chili powder, turmeric powder, 1 clove, 2 cloves and 1 cardamom and 1 dalchini. First I am going to roast the dal. Little bit we will be roasting the dal. We'll fry the dal until the color will change. Once the color will change, I will keep the dal into hot water. If you keep the dal little after frying the dal, if you keep into the hot water, it will easily boil. So I'm going to pour it to the another bowl and I'll be adding the hot water and I'll keep for some time. Now I am going to add ghee, 2 tablespoon ghee I have taken here, and I am going to fry the peanuts. Now I am adding jeera, half a tablespoon of jeera I have taken. Dry red chili. Here I am taking all the garam masalas and cashew. Cashew also I am going to fry with this. 1 bay leaf. We'll fry these things for a few minutes. Once it will fry all these things, we will add all the vegetables one by one, potato, carrot and green beans. I'm going to cover the lid and I'll be waiting for a few minutes. So let it cook for a few minutes. I'm adding salt here. We'll be waiting for some more time until the vegetable cook well. After mixing all the ingredients, I am going to cover the lid and I will be waiting for 2-3 minutes. After a few minutes, I am going to add now the dal. I have washed the dal. Adding the masalas like turmeric powder and red chili powder, and along with this I am going to add the rice. After washing the rice, I have soaked for almost 30 minutes. You can soak the rice because not more than 30 minutes, because this rice will not take more time to cook. It will easily boil, and we'll be frying all these things because we have to fry this all the vegetables and rice, dal, everything. Then only the khichdi and pulao will come very nice. The taste will be very nice. Now I'm adding the ginger paste. This roasted jeera powder, I have made it at home. and all the ingredients will mix it very well. After mixing very well, I am going to add ghee. This recipe I am doing with ghee only. If you don't want ghee, you can add oil also, whichever oil you like. Half tablespoon of sugar I am adding here. Half teaspoon of garam masala. If you don't like sweet in your recipe, you can skip the sugar, but this khichdi will be little sweet, so I am adding little more sugar in this. If you don't like, you can skip that. Now it's time for water, so I am using the same bowl for the perfect measurement, and I am adding hot water here. After adding the water, now I am going to cover the lid for 15 minutes. 15 minutes is over. Now I am going to check whether our khichdi is ready or not. It's absolutely ready. I'm going to add now coriander leaves. If you don't want, you can skip that. You can add little more ghee also. Bhoger khichdi is ready. Hope you like this recipe. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, and you can comment me in the comment section below. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed till now, and you can share my video with your friends and families. Hope you enjoy this. Happy Navratri all of you once again. Till then, bye bye. Take care.